if your website or blog has lots of video-based content. You must use video players for providing a great viewing experience to users. Here are the top 5 free video player plugins for WordPress. At number 1 is ARVE Advanced Responsive Video Embedder. It has more than 4 million active installation and 3,330 5 stars. At number 2 is Easy Video Player plugin. It has more than 40,000 active installation and 52 5 stars. At number 3 is FV Flowplayer Video Player. It has more than 40,000 active installation and 69 5 stars. At number 4 is Video PopUp. It has more than 20,000 active installation and 38 5 stars. At number 5 is All-in-One Video Gallery. It has more than 20,000 downloads and 57 5 stars. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more updates on WordPress plugins.